Ready to supercharge your Clash Royale empire with an Apple gift card? Let's dive right into how you can turn that plastic into precious gems and more. First things first, grab your Apple gift card and make sure it's valid. See that scratch off area on the back. Gently scratch it off to reveal the redemption code. Now head over to the App Store on your iPhone or iPad. In the top right corner, tap your profile icon. You'll be taken to your account screen. Look for the option that says redeem gift card or code. Tap on that. You'll see two options: use camera or enter code manually. For this tutorial, we are going to tap on enter code manually. Very carefully type in the code from your Apple gift card and tap redeem in the upper right corner of the screen. Bam! Your Apple gift card balance has now been added to your Apple ID. You can see the updated funds now available. Next, launch Clash Royale and go to the in-game store. You can find the store by tapping on the shop icon and then selecting desired resource. Select the gems or that special offer you've been eyeing and tap on the price. Since you've already added the gift card to your Apple ID, it will utilize the balance. Confirm your purchase and enjoy your new loot. Enjoy the game.